In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Cult Beauty promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Cult Beauty promo code and click go. So once that is done, you're gonna see many links here. So as you know, Cult Beauty is a beauty product plan where you can buy products for your skin and etc. So first of all, you're gonna go to this website, Daily Mail. You're gonna click on it. So once you're on this website, you're gonna see many codes. So the first one is 20% off when you spend $40 using this code. So you can click on it, and this is the code for getting a 20% off when you buy anything over $40. So you can copy this code and click go to store, which is going to take you to the store, and you can use this code AFFNEW at checkout to get a 20% off. Similarly, there are many other codes you can give a try. For example, this one, get 15% off with this code. You can click on it, and first 15, this is the code for getting a 15% off. You have to follow the same steps and use this at checkout. Now let's head to some other website and I'll show you a few more codes. Okay, then you can scroll down until you see this website, vthrift.com. You're gonna click on it. Okay, so as you guys can see, these are for September 2023, so for this month. And the first one is up to 50% off. And as you can see, the success rate is 77%, so it might work or might not work, but you can always give it a try. So you can click show code, and it will automatically copy the code, and you can go to the website and use this to check out and see whether it works. Well, there's another code here which is a 20% off, and it has a success rate of 100%. So this is surely gonna work. So you can copy the code and paste it at checkout. Similarly, there are other codes as well. For example, 15% off. So this also has a 100% success rate. This is the same one we saw on the other website for 15. So yeah. Then there are many other codes you can go and give a try. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helps you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.